Berkeley Chefs channel. I'm Caleb here. Today we are going to show you how to sprout these chickpeas. So these chickpeas will soak overnight, about 4 cups of chickpeas. We're going to rinse them and then we'll put them back in the container to sprout. So let's get rinsing them. So we have our trusty colander here. We're going to pour our chickpeas. Now we're rinsing these chickpeas to remove the enzyme inhibitors. I have a glass here which I'm going to fill up with water. So now we are done rinsing the chickpea, we're going to transfer it back to this container. So we have our chickpeas here, we have it sprouted, we rinse it twice a day for 2 days, one in the morning and one in the evening. So we're going to rinse it now before we put it to cook. You will know when the chickpeas have sprouted when you see those tails. Some chickpeas here. I got the tiny colander to strain the rest of it. So we're going to move it back to the container and we're going to put it in our Instant Pot. So we have our chickpeas here. Just rinse them. I'm going to put them in the Instant Pot. Fold this a little forward. So we have the chickpeas in the pressure cooker and close the lid. Turn it on and we want to crush. There you go. So we want to turn it on and pressure cook it at low pressure for 20 minutes. Now take off the keep warm button and we leave it to cook.
Are you a parent with a child who don't know their ABCs? Well, we created an ABC book that is fun with your ABCs to teach your child how to learn your ABCs. So we're going to turn over to a page in the book right here. So there is, I'll read it out and pop it up on the screen. F, fiddlehead. And then there's a little puzzle tick. There'll be a little quiz at like the bottom of each letter, and it has nice little drawings that your kids could color. Soon your kid could be learning their ABCs and know all of them pretty soon. So if you like that, you could go and check the link in the description to get your ABC book and have your child learning ABCs. Thank you. See ya.
So we finished pressure cooking the chickpea. I'm going to take out a scoop here. Now you'll want to transfer the rest of the chickpea from here into a glass bowl and then from the glass bowl into a container which you could store in the freezer for future use. You can use the chickpeas for chickpea salad, Jenny's creamy chickpea recipe, and also you could use it for curry chickpea. You can also use the chickpea water for marshmallows or for some icing. So that's it for this video. Subscribe and hit that bell and I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye!